Why does your scanner show the P0544 engine code? What does it mean? P0544 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit bank 1 sensor 1. This engine code indicates that the fault in the exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit. Specifically, it points to a problem with the sensor or wiring related to the sensor on bank 1, sensor 1. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Exhaust gas temperature sensor issues, engine control module issues, exhaust system issues, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Chevrolet, GMC, Mazda, Pontiac, Buick, and Chrysler. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.